Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a border to an image in Google Slides using the updated 2026 layout. It's super simple and, you know, perfect when you want your images to stand out a little more. So let's get started. All right, first thing, open Google Slides and choose the presentation you want to edit. You can open an existing deck or make a new blank one if you're testing things out. Now, click on the image that you want to add a border to. If the image isn't there yet, you can upload one by clicking Insert, then Image. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Once the image is selected, you'll see a toolbar appear at the top. Look for the little pencil icon. That's the border color tool. And next to it, you'll see border weight and border style. Go ahead and click the border color icon and pick the color you want. You can use the preset colors or choose a custom shade if you want something more specific. Next, click the border weight option to choose how thick the border should be. Something light like 1 pixel works for subtle edges, but you can go thicker if you want the image to pop more. And yeah, if you want, you can also change the border style. Google Slides lets you pick solid dashed or dotted lines. Just pick whatever matches your design, and that's it. You've added a clean border to your image in Google Slides using the 2026 layout. It's a tiny detail that really helps your slides look polished. If this walkthrough helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching.